Good afternoon, parents and students. In this video, I'm going to focus in on how to unblock Flash Player from being blocked. So as you can see on my screen here, I'm also blocked from Adobe Flash. So what you want to do is you want to come right up here in the address bar and you'll see a little lock next to the URL for this website. If you click on the lock, you may actually get the feature right here where you can unblock it. Or you can come down here to Site Settings, click on that, and then from here, scroll down and look for Flash, come across to where it says Block, and click Allow. And then, when we go back to the website, we want to hit Reload, and it should open up the game for you. I hope you find that helpful. Have a good afternoon.